Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload HD video on WhatsApp status. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, open any chat. You can even message yourself, it doesn't matter. Next, tap on the attachment icon and choose Gallery or Photos. Browse your gallery and select the video you want to upload. Before sending it, look at the top of the screen and tap the HD button. This step is important. It ensures your video is sent in high quality. Now, send the video. Once it's sent, tap on the forward icon next to the video. From the list, select My Status at the top and tap Forward. That's it. Your WhatsApp status video is now uploaded in HD quality. You can check it from the Updates tab. No more blurry status videos. If this tip helped you, like, follow, and subscribe for more easy tech tricks. See you in the next one.